Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jesus here at Cartooners. Today we got a quick little install on a 2023 GT2 Stinger. We're doing the Borla exhaust over here from the Catback. Real simple. Let's get to it.
This came out roughly, maybe less than a month ago. Borla didn't really have any in stock, but they just recently got a shipment in, and they called me, let me know that a customer canceled his pre-order. So I let this customer know, and he decided to bite the bullet. He's been waiting on something specific for this year, and this will retain the factory exhaust valve, so it's a win across the board.
We just gotta take off this little bracket. Should ready to rock and roll. Now we're just gonna get to the hangers, but before that we gotta make sure there's no wires connected. Like right here. This is where we gotta remove those hangers. That's the first part of it. Now we just gotta take down these last two. This one just has a couple more hangers. But at this point, I mean, it wouldn't be best to take it off from the hangers. Might as well just take it off from these two 12s. Cool. We might need to do a little bit of adjustments. Just gotta open it up a bit. Perfect. There we go. Comes with these clamps, just to the ended parts right here. Just makes our job a little bit easier. You want to make sure this is on the outside, so we have an easy fit. It's easier for me to tighten it at the end. I don't tighten it all right now at the spot, just because we have to do some adjustments to make sure it's all even. But at the end, I finally close it down, make sure everything's tight in it. This is how I would want it, just a bit at an angle. There we go. I'm gonna take these off from here. These are gonna be reused and installed in the new exhaust. Make sure it sits in there. Sit it over here. Tighten them down. Make sure they're right there in the bracket. Don't forget these connectors in the back. Really easy to forget. Let's connect it in. Now to this side. Go. Just connect it in. That's what switches it from sport to comfort, just so you can make sure that you're able to switch.